So some of the challenges with conventional design review in 2D is that you don't get the real perspective as to the ergonomics of the station, the access to maintenance of certain components. So one of the key things we do is in Jendamark is actually design review in virtual reality. Let me show you how we do it. So now that I've got my VR headsets on, we've developed a very efficient process to actually put 3D models into virtual reality, as you can see over here. So I'm going to take a closer look at this machine. So as you can see, this is the interface that the operator would see. I can check the position of the buttons, the start-stop button, the position of the main screens. This is obviously the press screen, which I don't need to have access all the time. I can also check the position of the tool change devices, and that seems pretty good. What I'm also able to check pretty importantly is obviously access to put the components into the station, in and out, and that seems pretty good. I can see all of the position of the part in place sensors and the quality checks. What we're also able to do is determine from a preventative maintenance perspective, do I have access to all of the components? And as I can see, the station is pretty big. If I ever need to replace the lights, the indicator lights, I obviously need to bring some sort of step ladder or something along those lines with me. If I can walk around the back of the machine and actually have a look and see if I needed to work on the maintenance system or the pneumatic system or the I/O system, I'm able to have a look and see do I have access to all of these components. And as you can see, we've been able to get a much better perspective as to the ergonomics as well as the maintainability of a machine. Here's another machine Monday.